Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do leçon 4, les saisons. So let's start. Now, on the next sheet, we have impératif. Now, it means imperative, where you give order, command, suggestion, etc. Okay. Now, j'apprends à proposer, à commander, etc. It means I'm learning to propose or suggest or command. Now here, as we know that imperative is always done with tu, nous and vous only, okay, and we don't write the subject. To understand this in detail, please go to the above link. Now let's see how it is to be done here. Now for the first given verb prendre, we'll take the conjugation of tu, prends, okay. So we'll drop tu, we'll just write prends, then prenons, then prenez, okay. So for the next one, se dépêcher, we'll write dépêche-toi because it is a pronominal verb. Dépêchons-nous, dépêchez-vous. Okay. Here we have some exceptional verbs like avoir, être, savoir, vouloir and aller. Okay. Again, to understand it in detail, please go to the above given link. Now comes the next question. Tu donnes des conseils à ton ami qui veut maigrir. Now here you need to give some suggestions to your friend who wants to lose some weight. Now your suggestions to become thin may differ, but conjugate only with the subject tu, okay? Because here you are talking to your friend, ton ami. It is informal case, okay? So we'll give all the suggestion to tu. And remember one thing, we are not going to write the subject here. We'll just start our sentence with the imperative form. Okay. Now the first one is promène-toi tous les soirs. It means take a walk every evening. Mange de la salade. It means eat some salad. Fais beaucoup de jogging. It means do a lot of jogging. Bois beaucoup d'eau. Drink lots of water. Fais des exercices. It means do some exercise. Now the next question is les examens s'approchent. Le professeur vous conseille. Now the next one is the exams are approaching. The teacher advises you. Ne regardez pas trop la télé. Don't watch too much TV. Ne jouez pas trop. Don't play so much. Ne lisez pas les bandes dessinées. It means don't read the comics. Pratiquez bien. It means practice well. And the last one is révisez deux fois ce que vous apprenez. It means revise everything twice, what you learn. Now let's come to the next question. Répondre en utilisant parce que comme dans l'exemple. It means answer using parce que like in the example. If the question is in pourquoi, then answer will be in parce que. Okay? Or we'll drop E sometimes, it will be parce que. Now the first question is pourquoi les arbres n'ont pas de feuilles? It means why do the trees have no leaves? Now the next question is pourquoi tu prends une bouteille d'eau à la plage? Why are you taking a water bottle at the beach? And now the third question is pourquoi tu préfères le printemps? Why do you prefer spring season? The first answer should be parce que c'est l'automne. It means because it is autumn. So the next answer should be parce que il fait chaud, because it is hot. Now number third should be parce que il est agréable. It means because it is pleasant. Now the next question is mets les phrases au futur proche, which means put the sentence in near future or futur proche. So for futur proche, we need the conjugation of aller and then we use infinitive form of the main action, main verb. Okay. To express the immediate future, we use futur proche. To understand it in detail, please go to the above given link. Now the first sentence is Monsieur Vincent. Now the verb is parti de l'école dans 5 minutes. Now we need to conjugate parti in futur proche. And in the given sentence, we are talking about il singular, Monsieur Vincent. So we'll take third person singular conjugation, il va partir. Now the sentence is Monsieur Vincent va partir de l'école dans 5 minutes. Now let's see the next sentence. Paul. Then we have the verb to be conjugated in negative, ne pas sorti de la classe dans un moment. First we'll see the future proche conjugation of sorti. Paul is third person singular, so we'll take il va sorti. Now the sentence is Paul ne va pas sortir de la classe dans un moment. Now whenever we negate a sentence in future proche, we use ne before the conjugation of aller and pas after the conjugation of aller. Now comes the next sentence, nous. Now the verb is chanter pour la soirée. Now we'll see the conjugation of chanter in future proche. Because our subject is nous, so we'll take the conjugation accordingly. Nous allons chanter. Now the sentence is nous allons chanter pour la soirée. Now comes the next sentence, Akansha et Ali. Now here again we have the verb jouer. So let's have a look on the conjugation. Now we are talking about third person plural, so we'll take vont jouer. Akansha et Ali vont jouer au rugby cet après-midi, which means Akansha and Ali are going to play rugby this afternoon. Now the next one is Nikhil. Now again we have been given a verb ne pas faire. Now let's see the conjugation first. Now Nikhil is third person singular, so we'll take the conjugation accordingly. Nikhil ne va pas faire son devoir parce qu'il est malade. Nikhil is not going to do his homework because he is sick. Now again we'll negate the first verb aller. We'll use ne before va and after va we'll write pas. Ne va pas faire. Now comes the next question. Mais les verbes au futur. Now here you need to write all the conjugation in futur simple. So we'll write the conjugations accordingly. You need to write the complete verb. So for futur simple we'll write the infinitive form of the verb till are and then we'll add the endings. To understand futur simple in detail, please go to the above given link. Now let's start. Now the first sentence is mon frère et moi nous partirons pour Paris le mois prochain, which means my brother and I will be leaving for Paris next month. Nous habiterons chez un ami de mon frère. It means we will live with a friend of my brother. Now future simple we have written the complete infinitive form and then we have added ons because the subject here is nous. Nous habiterons. À Paris, d'abord, nous visiterons la Tour Eiffel. Now it means in Paris, first of all, we'll visit the Eiffel Tower. Puis, nous prendrons le RER pour aller au château de Versailles. Now it means then we will take the RER to go to Versailles. Je prendrai des photos des sculptures, des tableaux et de beaux jardins. I will take pictures of the sculptures, paintings and beautiful gardens. Le soir, mon frère et moi, nous ferons des achats. It means in the evening, my brother and I will do some shopping. Puis, nous dînerons dans un bon restaurant. Then, we will have dinner in a good restaurant. Now comes the next question. Choisis entre les verbes être ou faire. Now here, you need to understand that when you are talking about weather, then you will use the verb faire. So the first one is en été, le ciel est bleu. So when you are talking about the sky, you will be using être verb. So in summer, the sky is blue. En automne, il fait du vent. It means in autumn, it is windy. Now the next one is le ciel est nuageux. It means the sky is cloudy. Now the next one is il fait du brouillard, which means there is fog. Now the next one is en hiver, il fait froid. It means in winter, it is cold. Now the next question is à partir des expressions données ci-dessous, rédige le bulletin météo de ton pays pour demain. Using the expressions given below, write the weather forecast for your country for tomorrow. Now let's see how to write le bulletin météo de mon pays. My country's weather forecast. Now first we'll see how to give today's forecast. Aujourd'hui, le temps restera très nuageux et humide pendant la plus grande partie de la journée au nord de l'Inde, which means today the weather will remain very cloudy and humid for most of the day in northern India. Dans les régions de l'Est, une belle journée ensoleillée avec une possibilité des orages le soir. It means in the eastern region, a beautiful sunny day with the possibility of thunderstorms in the evening. Now let's see how to write a weather forecast for future. Demain, en Inde, le ciel sera nuageux au nord de l'Inde, mais il sera clair dans les régions du sud. Now it means tomorrow in India the sky will be cloudy in northern India, but it will be clear in the southern region. À l'est, il y a une possibilité de pluies faibles. À l'ouest, il y aura des orages presque toute la journée. In the east, there is possibility of light rains. In the west, there will be thunderstorm in most of the parts. So this was the explanation of leçon 4, les saisons. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.